Hi, my name is Carissa, and if you're like me, right now you're studying for your aPHR exam. And if you're like me, you're also searching for study resources that are free and easy to use and understand and follow. Also, if you're like me, you've likely stumbled across really nothing, not much, or some videos that are excruciatingly boring, videos that are just so hard to watch and really to follow. So, I'm here to learn the best way I know how to learn and to help others in the best way I know how, which is through teaching. So, while I'm studying for the exam, I'm going to go ahead and start creating videos to hopefully help myself and to help you, my new viewer, corny, anyway, to learn for your exam so that way you too can pass and begin your career in HR. So, the study exam materials that I'm using right now come from these excellent resource books that you can get on Amazon. I don't remember the cost, I just bought them. I don't know, I think they're both under 100 each, like combined. I don't know. So, to make tonight's video not completely pointless and to give us some foundation to build on, I'm going to go ahead and go over Title VII. I'm not going to read it a little bit, but it really is the most important or most fundamental law that you're going to need to know while studying. So, if you're not familiar with Title VII, it's time that you get yourself acquainted because this is going to be a term that you hear quite frequently and you're going to be using in your everyday work life. Title VII refers to the Civil Rights Act of Title VII. Title VII, see that right there, 1964. 1964. And basically what you need to know is that Title VII has 5 protected classes, meaning that you cannot discriminate on individuals based off of race, color, religion, and national origin. And there are other times where you'll hear people say sex. That's just another word for gender. It just depends on what you want to use. But while studying for this exam, more than likely you're going to hear the term sex. So, I feel like I could go into this and teach you a little bit more. You know, it's got right here, although this was not the first federal civil rights act in the country, it came to us, blah, blah, blah. There's really a whole lot of stuff in history. That's on you as the reader. But as me, as somebody that's going to help you watch, it's on me to help you come up with more original and fun ways to remember it. So, I don't really got anything tonight, but my next ones are going to be a lot better. So we're just going to work with that. Remember though, when you're done watching this, there are 5 protected classes, and this is going to stem, all of the other laws that we're going to go to when it comes to discrimination are all going to stem from Title VII. The ADA, ADEA, WARN, the older worker, OBWP or something. I know it, whatever. But we're going to know it for sure, 100% by the time I'm done with all of my videos. So for tonight, or today, or whenever you're watching this, let's just start with Title VII. Get it down, get it memorized. The 5 protected classes. You cannot discriminate on an employee based off of their age, their sex, I know this, race, color, and national origin. National origin, race, age, color, sex, and or gender. Repeat that 10 times to yourself. Out loud, do what you got to do, create an acronym, those are fun. That's really what I was thinking when I kept looking down, RCRNS. I don't know what that means to you, come up with something. I'll come up with one the next time, but for tonight, remember this, race, color, national origin, sex, and age. Title VII, the 5 protected classes that are going to start the whole rest of our studies. All right, thank you for watching and have a good night.